It is Connie here, and I am back with a sticker storage video. This is not all of my stickers, but it is how I store most of my character stickers. I do have some, and I'll show you guys where those are housed, but majority of them are in here, like the big go-tos are in here, I guess. So I just wanted to share this. This is my B6 Foxy that I received in a mystery bag a long time ago. It is a, I believe it's a compact wide, I want to say. Oh, I don't really remember. It's been a while since I've used this sucker, but it does like have the pen loop. It came fully stocked. It has the black elastic band. It's been like pretty worn out. It does come with like the 3 pockets here, the big pocket on the side, and then the secretarial pocket on the back. But this is kind of how I store my munchkins, my fox and cactus stickers, and my emojis, and also my KeenaPrints. It definitely has like room for expanding. It's pretty chunky. Like, this dude is fat, but I like it. I've been working on it. It's been nice. I haven't actually like used it in a planner spread, so we'll see how that turns out. But I did like work on organizing it and stuff, and it turned out really well, so I like it. So basically what I did was I took my B6 planner, and these are just photo albums that I had laying around. These are the smaller versions, I believe. I think, I don't even know what size these are. Let's see, let's take out a ruler. Okay, so I believe they are about like 4 3/4 by like 6 and something. It's 4 3/4 by 6 and something. 6 and, let's see if I can give you guys an exact measurement. 6 and like like 1/4, I would say, is kind of where it's leaning towards. But they're like your regular sticker albums that you can get. I like legit chunked off the covers of them. They all had covers, and literally what I did was just rip them off. And so I just stuck them here in the middle using the bands, and I had 4 elastic bands, so 4 of them fit in here, and it works out pretty well. So obviously the first one is how I store my munchkins, and what I've realized is that I have so many of them that I cannot fill them in by like one sticker sheet per page, so I had to combine them into categories, which I'm thinking I'm going to make labels for, but I'm not entirely sure. So the first section is, again, munchkins, and in here, and what I mean by that is that I have like all my laptop stickers here. Even though they're like 2 different styles of laptop stickers, I still put them in the same sleeve just to save space. And same with like filming. I have Etsy stuff. We have like coffee, drinks, and I think this has like wine and like partying. We have like boba, the food, and then I have like all my cooking, all the different types of food. So I have like pizza, sushi. I think I have tacos in here too. Yeah, and like pho. So all that stuff. Let's see. We have like all the workouts together. So that's kind of how I did this. I like the way that the categories is. Hopefully what I've been trying to do, and how I've had them before, I've had them in those tiny little like expandable folders, but 1, they were bending my sticker sheets, and 2, it was getting super fat, and I just felt like it wasn't organized enough for me. The only thing I'm scared about is I had like all the categories, like all the different character stickers in one category. So like if I needed a computer sticker, I would just go through all my computer stickers, and so it allowed me to use different character stickers that I wouldn't normally use. So hopefully, even though going to this concept, I feel hopefully I'll like still use like different stickers, and not just stick to like munchkins or emojis, but actually like go through and flip. So again, I have the emojis in like the same section, and they just kind of are flipped through here. I have a couple leftover sheets. I have 4 left over for some more. I definitely have fox and cactus here. And then I have KeenaPrints, which I'm slacking on that one. But these are like pretty much a lot of my character stickers. Then I wanted to show you guys like how I set up the other ones. So this is like a really cheap and efficient way to store these if you guys want to even use like bigger photo albums and get like a bigger TN. They have like the what size are they? I want to say A5s, but I feel like that's too small. But I think an A5 is correct. And that like will fit a bigger sticker sheet. So if you guys want to house bigger sheets than just character stickers, that's a great option. So this is kind of like a spin-off on what Andrea did, except for I did not have like the financial, what is it, like the extra money in my bank account to buy like the vellum, not the vellum, the acetate and the little folder like sticker things. So this is what I went with. It worked great. I'm gonna see how it goes. I might end up combining and putting them into the same categories as I had, but maybe like, I don't know, having like a couple of them for like this whole section being like computer stickers and putting like tabs on the sides. I thought that might be cute too, so we'll see how this goes. So there's that. The rest of my character stickers are located in these acrylic drawers that are located off to my left, and they're just stacked up really, and this is kind of what it looks like. It's kind of bare at the moment. I have all my paper and milk stickers here, which these are like adorable. Like I love them so much. Okay, so I'm just putting them in here because I'm hoarding them, because of course that's me. So this is what the acrylics look like. I got these at, where did I get these? Bed Bath & Beyond, because I had a coupon. But you can definitely get acrylic drawers like anywhere, Amazon, all that. So in the first drawer, I have all of my Glam Planner Teeny and Dot like character stickers. I was subscribed to her monthly. I'm not anymore, but I have them all here, and there's a ton of them. So because I have so many and they're so random, like the categories are very random, especially in the monthlies, because she just sends them like based upon the month. I just decided to keep them all into a drawer and then pull them out when I wanted one. The section over here are just random samplers that I have, that I've gotten received that I might want to use. And then the middle section of the drawer, I have my FoxandPip stickers. And the reason I have these in here, they are a little wider. They do fit, but barely, so I wanted to keep them all in like a section. I don't gravitate towards these as much because they are bigger and I prefer smaller stickers. But every once in a while, if I need to take up more space, I'll definitely come in and reach for these. So that is pretty much like all of my sticker organization that like goes with like character ones. I'm gonna do like an office haul when I actually have an office, because right now I'm like in the corner of my bedroom. But anyways, I hope you guys like enjoyed this really quick organization video, and I hope it helps you guys get an idea of organizing, because this is the first thing that I did when I was trying to figure out like a method that might work for me. I went on YouTube and I googled like sticker organization videos and watched a couple of them, kind of saw what I had and like kind of see like if I could maneuver something myself or if I had to go out and buy something, and this is what came up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys definitely subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see like setup videos, plan with me's, organization, hauls, all of that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.